Right, down here today at Alpha Automotive, we've got the 73 Trans Am in the shop. We got Jake in here. He's got it pretty much stripped out. You can probably see some of the parts behind me. But let's take a walk around this thing. It has been previously restored. So the engine and every drivetrain's all rebuilt. But we're addressing some issues that maybe weren't done quite correctly or just haven't held up to time, basically. So let's go. One of the main projects we're doing is actually replacing this roof panel where the old dealer option sunroofs just don't quite cut it for our today's standards, but it's not too bad. We've got an actual original roof panel cut from another car, so that'll be an easy graft in. Got some of this pulled up. We've got a little bit of floor issues that have been previously fixed that we'll probably cut out and just put all new metal in there. Overall, the car is great shape. It's a great running car. Overall, in really good shape. Little stereo in the car, subwoofer back there for the boom booms, you know. Good stuff though. A few things to address that we can see. You know, just check the old, common areas for any trouble. So we'll get down under the paint and kind of see the condition of it. The customer wants to do some pretty cool stuff. We're still working out the colors exactly, but hopefully we'll get to do something pretty wild with it. First order of business really is going to be addressing the roof panel replacement. Like I said, we've got one. You can see it kind of right over there. But yeah, this thing runs great. It's basically a daily drivable car as is. Just needs a little bit restoration, if you will. Stage this up real quick so I look like a good mechanic on the camera. Oh, you're here already. Okay. Well, I was just putting this back here so I look like a real handy dude and I already had the screws out and everything. But since you're already here, you can see that we're pulling apart the 76 Trans Am. We've got the interior all stripped out of it. We know it's had floor repairs or damage before, so we want to get it back in there under this carpet, get it pulled up, see what's going on, and then we can kind of really go from there. So basically right here, I could just be like, pulled off 4 of these Phillips head screws out, and boom. So we're just going to pull that sill panel up out of the way. It's actually a nice aluminum, all original looking piece. So we probably polish this thing up and look real good for the customer when we're done. I've also already got all the seat belt pulled out, and you don't see the seats here. That's because they're already pulled out. Seat belt bolts are these like a T50 Torx. Pretty easy to get out. Some of them are a little bit tough, so they might have been there for a little bit. Who knows how long ago this was done. So lifting this up, first impression is, ew, that looks gross. I'll put it down and let you deal with it. So we're back over here, and like I said, I'll let you deal with it and at least just take a look at what I got to deal with, if anything. So pulling up the carpet, first impression here is it doesn't look that good, right? That's fun. I bet that was getting some good sound quality. It was the asbestos in here. That's what killed them. There we go. Feels damp. That doesn't look great, does it? Uh-oh. That's not awesome. So it looks like we're definitely going to be doing some rust repair on that. Okay, curious. Now it looks a little bit further up. Floor pans replaced. Like I said, we've had some work done here before, so we already know that we might have some stuff to deal with. There may be a little bit more going on even further up here. Try to pull this up. Yeah, that doesn't look awesome. Oh. I wonder what the other side's going to look like. So now we're over here on the driver's side. We can get these old seat belts pushed out of the way and get up under this side of the carpet and see if it's just as good as the other side. And by good, I mean like good and gone, you know what I mean? Huh, it's even better. I mean worse. Oh. Well, I guess I could let you guys take a look. Jump on in here. So there's already a hole. We don't have to go poking around too much. There's some more. There's some more. So, like I said, these old repair jobs that have been done may not have exactly been the best, which worries me a little bit about how this side of the body had some obvious work done before and had a little blending. I know that you can see the differences in the color as well in these lights as you do out in the sun, but it definitely has had some work done in the past.